Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the final video for the active income um, section of um, yeah of my the active income section, which you can get when you by clicking on the this photo which says active income, and you can get to that section which has got all the slogans and logos that I have shown you how easy and simple it is to get them, to make those just off the top of my head. I do it in front of you. Yeah, well then, I mean, this is to do with print on demand because that's the page I'm on. So and this is probably one of the best businesses, easiest businesses to do online. Okay, so and I recommend Printful because they teach you, they start you off for free. They teach you what you need to know, so you break out the out of the ignorance that you don't know nothing about. Because no one's taught you how to do commerce, have they? Have they? Is anybody? Nobody, no. I mean, the stuff I've been saying on here, no YouTuber's been saying either. So, why? Because they don't know. They simply don't know. It's just ignorance, right? And that's what I say certain things because I'm older and I know, and that's all there is. I've learned. I've done a lot of study. So, um, and the main reason is, see that see that on my cap? The sovereign of the earth exists. Why? Because he's taught me a lot. And that's how I know that truth, right? I don't care what people think, and it's not what See, once again, here's another one. I know about this one too. I mean, this is religion, right? I don't really want to go into it. Not really. No, this is about print on demand. I'll go back to that because I don't want to go into religion, right? Um, so I'm here to teach you how to do these slogans. It's really, really simple. It's really, really basic. It's not. You don't have to be a rocket scientist or anything like that. And I recommend Printful because they start you off for free and they teach you what to do. Okay, and that's it. You can open a free account with them. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, where are we? There we are. Okay, so here's one. This is a question. This one. This is a question that you should ask. Why do you think your job is secure? Whoops, made a mistake there, but this is a question, right? Why do you think it's secure? Why? Have you been slanted in that way? Yeah? So this is a question. Have you been taught to think that way? Just by any chance? You see, so there you go. Why do you think that? So you ask people, that's a glow. See, this is a question. You put that on a t-shirt or on a jacket or on a cap or anything like that. People are going to go, what's he on about? What's that mean? They'll think about it. Why do you think your job is secure? It's just a simple question. That's all. You know. I know the truth on that, but anyway, let's see you go off this one, right? Oh, hang on. Now I'm gonna, see? So, when I've just told you, right? I've told you, okay? Um, this is for your hoodies and your caps, and I'm doing it right in front of you. Oh, what else? Um, why do you think your job is secure? Oh, This is another one. Now, see? Now, don't get sick or hurt on active income. Why? Well, that's a question. Why? So I'll put a question mark there because why? You lose your income. That's why. You lose. Your income's gone. If you're seriously ill, you might be off for months. Well, they're not going to support you in that. Your income's gone. That's it. If you get hurt or sick or hurt, and there's another one, you see. Why do you think your job is secure? See? Has COVID-19 proved something? So I'm going, oh, look what I'm doing. Just right in front of you. Has COVID-19 shown you the truth? And it has, hasn't it? Because a lot of people got laid off, didn't they? And they haven't got their jobs back either. They've had to go and look for another job, See, so I mean, you want to get involved with this. This is really, really, really simple. Has COVID-19 shown? See, why do you think your job is secure? Don't get sick or hurt on active income. Why? Because has COVID-19 shown you the truth? Absolutely another question, right? A lot of people lost their jobs as a result of that. Why? Because active income is at least secure. It isn't secure. It is not. If you get sick or hurt, you lose your income. If you get sacked because they can't make enough money for the company, then you lose your income. See, it's at least secure. And COVID-19 has shown that because a lot of businesses have gone bust as a result of that because everything stopped. All right. This is so simple to do. I've just done this in front of your face, right? Right now, right here. I haven't shirked it and jerked it and all the rest of it. It's really simple, see, to come up with these things. So with these slogans and logos for your t-shirts, your shirts, your hoodies and your jackets and your mugs, and anything else you can think of, I mean, it's really, really a simple business, eh? This is the only thing that's you've got to come up with, and you sell those, and you put them on those items that Printful supplies. They supply you everything and give you a free account as well, see? That's what they do, right? And I can show you this. I can show you because, I mean, I think it's important, to show you. But understand and know that your job ain't secure, okay? Your design here, see? I'm trying to get you off active income. Now, do you have to quit your job? No. So this is a hoodie, and she's showing you where to put it. Put the design, okay, right there, okay? And this is a Printful, right? So, come on, you need to do something for yourself. Do you need to give up your job? No. Just do this part-time. You can do this part-time, and you can build this, And don't cry over the losers. See, this is my free account. Yeah, don't cry over the losers. See, so bestseller t-shirts, caps, mugs, and a placemat. This is a mat, right? So you can put your logos on all those, and you can teach people what they need to know, which is what I'm doing to you, right? You're watching this, so you're getting to know some stuff. It's not just a teaching on how to do logos and slogans. It's also a teaching on what's going on in your life as well. Yeah, and why things are happening to you the way they are. You see, a lot of people have got certain ideas, but they don't understand why it's happening. What's the reason? Well, I'm telling you. I've told you in the series of videos. I have told you why it is happening to you. You see, your job is not secure. And if you get sick or hurt, your income's gone. That's it. It's over, right? That's what happens. I know, because this happened to me. I've done all this. I'm old, right? Look at my face. I've got knowledge. I've got experience. So I can tell you this, right? That's why I'm doing it. But I've also seen that with sickness as well. See, COVID-19, oh, it's shown you the truth, all right, that your job ain't secure. It ain't. It's not secure. No way. Companies went bust, right? So, get involved in this. This is not active income, right? Get a Printful account for free. Start doing it. Start doing what I'm doing, showing you how to do here. And start, get some security in your life. That's because what you do is what you do, and what you do is yours, and you own it, and then you keep doing this. Don't cry over the losers. Don't cry over the losers, the ones that don't work. Chuck them out and create more. That's all you have to do. And you persist doing this, and you will get to where you want, and you'll be able to say to your boss, sorry boss, but I'm not coming in anymore. I've got my own business now. See, so that's it, and you want that. Why? Because it's secure. See, it's not going to go away, because you'll do your slogans every day. You might do 10 or 20 a day. How long does that take you? Less than an hour. You just sit down and think about it. That's all. Sit down, write them down. Just write them down, and then put them up. And see if they work. If they don't, chuck them out. And then next day put up another set. That's what you do every day. Put up some slogans and logos for your caps and your hoodies, your shirts, your jackets, and your mugs. That's all you got to do. It's really that simple. And I've shown you how simple it is. It's not that hard. It isn't. Okay, so if you like this video, smash the like button. If you like the series, to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel, because I've given you a lot more than just teaching you a lot more about active income. I've also taught you how to do the slogans as well. So you've learned now, and you know now why active income is not secure. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another section when I create another video. Thanks again, and bye for now.